Where is Pac-Man? Yes, guys, where is Pac-Man? Why am I outside right now? Why am I like this? Why am I outside? I should be in my house. It's Sunday afternoon, guys. Live. Where's Pac-Man? Trying to make sure I don't drop people. Woo! No, it's slippy out here. I don't know. I don't think more about this life, you know. Days. No, it's mad. No, it's mad. You need to get the wellies. How you doing? I know. Yes, bad guys. Look at the situation right now. It's mad right now. What are we gonna do? Damn. Good. Yeah, I heard there's a wolf in the ends. So I'm coming to investigate, you know. See what's going on. Yes, guys. So right now we are in Peckham Woods. As I mentioned before, the reason why I'm here today, because there's a myth, there's a wolf that's in these woods. Let's go and find out. First thing I will say is, if you're going to come here, make sure you got the right footwear. I was not prepared today. Check these out. Put on some more trainers, but the material, so it's the coldness and the snow is going right through, and the mud. So yeah, guys, I think I've heard the wolf, you know. Let's do this. Let's make the way. Damn! Look at this. Look at this. See how muddy it is? Someone came up with white trainers today. Why? Did. Just do that to ourselves. So cold. Oh my god, it's so cold out, guys. We had to allow it, man. Whole time. Shit. We got the wolf. Come to link you now. Yeah. Hey guys, man's about to show you the real wolf effects, you know, man. You get me?
You say to me,
What you saying?
I'm air cousin, man. Damn, man.
Damn, man. I know you got a cut.
I've been in the kitchen. This guy got me cooking on a Sunday, you know. Now come his girl, man. I'm here and them girl, you know. Yeah. You a spin around. I was late, but this is alright. The layout's good.
Yeah, that's calm. Let's calm.
There you go. One. Let me do it in Arabic for you. Wahad. Ifnain. Talata.
Shit, I never
free,
said that
yeah?
word.
Talata, that's free.
Alright.
Let me know it, taste.
Alright, guys, so what? Where can everyone find you?
You can find me SW3, 1AR, Basil Street.
Yeah.
Or Beecham Place, number 11 Beecham Place. I'm doing pickups from there.
Okay.
6 days a week.
6 days a week,
get
yeah.
me
What's that, Monday to Saturday?
Monday to Saturday, yeah.
Monday to Saturday normally.
But you've got me working on a Sunday, obviously. So don't try to say you're better than the rest. I'm tired, yeah?
Yeah, say
On
that.
the road.
I'm going to put an Instagram tag on it still, yeah?
Love, bro. Always,
cool,
man. Pleasure, bro.
Big up, cousin.
Anytime, cousin.
I just got in my house and I'm about to try Wolf in the Kitchen's Sunday platter. So I have no idea what he's made for me, yeah? He just said to me he's going to make something, bring it down, and I'm going to try it. So yeah, this is the second time round. The first time was good. Proper loved it. So let's see what he's saying. I got no idea what's what, so I'm going to open it up and reveal it. Jeez. What do you say? We've got some prawn there, crab, corn. Yeah, this is looking good. Let's see what's in this one. And in box number two we have oh, pumpkin rice. Taste it. If you guys know about the pumpkin rice, yeah, pumpkin rice is banging, trust me. Alright, what do you reckon is going to be in number 3? Let's see. Woo! So you're saying pumpkin rice again, and a chicken. One thing about the Wolf in the Kitchen's chicken, yeah, all the food is always halal, and it's corn-fed chicken that it uses, so proper things. And in box number 4 we have, jeez, hey, nah. What are you saying? More crab? I think that's a shrimp under there as well. Nah, Wolf, you looked after me, you know. Wolf from Knightsbridge, he looks after me. I'm gonna tag him in at the bottom when I put this on my vlog, so you guys can see the information here. Taste time. Yeah, guys, this is why I love Wolf in the Kitchen's food, you know. Look how big and buff this prawn. This is a prawn, you know, by the way. This is a prawn, yeah. Look how big and buff it is. Come like a lobster. Just take the meat out like this one time. Get me. Bang. Let me tuck in. What's good, guys? It's your boy Pac-Man. Big up to my Travel Gang crew. Good, guys, your boy Pac-Man, and today I'm going to be tasting Wolf in the Kitchen. I know I've done this for vlog before, but